What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to put some more leaves in the chicken area. It rained real hard yesterday and pretty much all of it's just muddy in there, so I want to get some of this stuff together and put in a run so they can get a little bit dry in there. So we're doing this, and I'm going to show y'all how the compost or the leaf compost is doing, because what I'm going to do is put it on the other side inside the compost bin that we just built, the pallet composting system. We're going to throw all that stuff in there, and I'm going to take that compost bin out of there because I'm going to put it on the outside so they can have more room walking around. So that's what we're doing today. So leaf compost update. Let's get it. All the leaves that was in here just went away after that rain. Like they're doing everything they can to get out and get eat. But yeah, soon, when the chicks get old enough, they're gonna be walking around. Hopefully, the new roosters will do their job. About 2 more. All right, let's go inside. Got them some fresh leaves down. We're gonna kick this around and start the whole process again. But this is how the other stuff is doing. As you can see, it look a little bit like dirt, just a little bit. So it broke down a good amount. Broke down a good little amount. There's a lot of sticks in here though. We're gonna get those out of here though. But yeah, that's how this look. But now I'm about to just put this over there where the other compost is. And hurry up before they knock that down though. Now they want to eat worms. Look, let me tell you, these chickens would not eat no worms at first. I would try to give them a worm, they'll look at it like they're too good for it. And now they're eating worms. See the leaves? They're pretty much black. Broke down a bit. I know a lot of worms that came up and ate a lot of stuff as it broke down. That's what it looked like. It rained real hard yesterday too. It still got some more breaking down to do. I'm actually gonna make it to where I'm able to throw it over from that side. I don't have time to do it yet, but it's been on the ground, but it wasn't getting turned like this was by the chickens. So it works. So now I'm making a whole bigger area pretty much. This whole area, they're gonna be able to hop in and out and do the same thing. It's gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna keep scooping this stuff out. Look at that. You can definitely see that this is way lighter than that. But this definitely has more pine shavings in it from where the meat birds was at, but it's nice and dark. It's gonna continue to break down. Got a bunch of worms in it. We're actually gonna use this when I do my watermelon beds. I'm gonna take most of this and put it on the bottom, just like we did the raspberries and the blackberries. I'm gonna dig a trench and throw this on the bottom for the watermelons for this to break down and over the summer. So, but yeah, I really got to get to cutting these 2 holes in so they could jump in and do their thing. I'm gonna do that, just not today. I'm gonna probably clean the coop and do the holes at the same time. That's the video, guys. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. That's the leaf compost update. And to the next one.